Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can upload a profile picture on your Facebook account without cropping. Like, as you can see, if I go into my Facebook and try to go ahead into my account and try to post a profile picture right over here, let's just say I want to add this photo right here. As you can see, the whole photo is not going to be there. It's going to crop a little bit of the photo out, as you can see. So simply, in order to fix this and post the whole photo, simply all you have to do is go down and then post the photo you want to put as your profile picture as a private image. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and post as only me, and then go ahead and click on post. And finally, let your photo to be posted on only me, so don't worry, no one can see it, and only you are gonna be able to see the photo that you are posting. And finally, once you have posted the photo you want to put as your profile picture, all you want to do is go into your Google and simply go to facebook.com. And once you have done that, go ahead and log in by entering your email on top and then password on the bottom, and click on login. Finally, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and log in. And over here, as you can see, you're gonna be on your page right over here. I'm just gonna block the notifications that Facebook wanna send to me. And as you can see, I'm on my photo that I posted right over here, as you can see. And if I tap on the photo, it's going to bring me right over here on the bottom where it's gonna say make profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you can simply choose when you want to switch back to your previous profile picture. You can do that, but if you don't want to change, just click on never and simply tap on this confirm button on the top left, and your profile picture should be uploaded without cropping. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.